Hello everyone, again I come back to my channel with my another watercolor video. So today I'm gonna create a watercolor composition. In this channel I only upload few watercolor composition, but I will try to upload some watercolor composition for BA entrance students and some landscape, portrait and etc. I always try to keep continuing my drawing and painting and many medium in this channel. So you can see I create a fruit market today, and I wash the yellow and lemon yellow and yellow ochre, and then I use ultramarine blue and permanent orange for some shadow part, you can see, and I create some extra dark area for background with a small flat brush. So right now I create the front figure with a sharp brush, and hair part I use Payne's Grey and burnt sienna, and the sharp color I use permanent orange. The pigmentation is 2:10, and before it's dry I will add some shadow area with only vermilion and little bit of Payne's Grey for some dark part. And for the lower area I use Payne's Grey and little bit of ultramarine blue. You can see how I create the lower part, and the arm area I use burnt sienna only, and for the shadow effect I use little bit of ultramarine blue. That's it. So right now I create the background figure, and whenever you create the background figure, always try to do not focus a lot. Just initial color you should apply on the background figure, and always try to keep it flat. Okay, so now you can also see how I create the other one with the same basic technique. So for the pant area I use Payne's Grey, and the color pigmentation is 5:10. You can see I just use the flat color. So before it's dry I will add some value. So whenever you create the watercolor, you should remember the two things. One, how you apply the color in flat way, and before it's dry you have to apply the color, the value. So right now I create some extra detail on the front figure, you can see. So this is the basket here I create right now, and the color I apply here is permanent orange and ultramarine blue and little bit of Payne's Grey and some fruits. Here you can see some few colors I added here, and before it's dry I just apply some detail with Payne's Grey. So again I create some dark area, so because it is needed right now, because if I don't add some dark color in the background then it will not pop up and the composition will not so good. So whenever you think like that, your figure will not come out. You have to apply the dark tone in the background. Okay, so now I create the fruit area, you can see, and the color here I apply some green, sap green, hooker's green, vermilion and little bit of orange, lemon yellow, etc. And then I create the basket, and for the basket I use same sharp brush and the color here I apply ultramarine blue and permanent orange. So in this area I don't like the fresh color which is pop up, so that's why I just try to off the color, and you can see I create some background shop here with the flat brush. And again I create some extra detail on the basket. So now you can see how I create the plastic which is hanging in the background area, and for the plastic I use the ultramarine blue and little bit of cobalt blue, and here I create the flat tone, and before it's dry I just apply some value. So I need to highlight the background figure, so that's why I create some extra dark area in the background. And the brush I apply here, it is a rigger brush. So if you want to create the same painting, just try to follow these steps, and trust me guys, your painting will be also good. So my video is almost done. I hope this video gonna help you to develop your watercolor skill. Thank you, bye bye. I promise you guys I will come back soon with my another watercolor video.